My day so far has consisted of a lot of YouTube videos. I ate my lunch about 30 minutes ago, had some fruit, and I'm gonna take my lunch soon. I hope nobody walks up behind me, otherwise that won't be cool. God, I'm sweating. Super hot. What's up, guys? I'm in Chatsworth, California right now. Got off work a little early today. About to head home and handle some plans. See you guys on the other side. I wonder how long that would actually stay there. Let's see. Okay. I tried to accelerate so gently too. Yeah, see, right now it's working out. It's also a little more tilted too, like that, or like that, so it can rest more. Go, 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 go. Go, guys. Oh, man. Yeah, it's scorching. It's literally 94 degrees right now. Today was payday. Life. 13 gallons today, not too bad. Always gotta make sure you don't drip gas on your paint. No, I don't need a receipt, thank you. Cancel, cancel. I shall wait until it is safer to turn, which is now. Shift. Shift. Being out here always trips me out because I've lived in Santa Clarita now for almost 11 years. And it's almost like a different world out here in the valley compared to Santa Clarita. Okay, hopefully it's not hot anymore. Yeah, we're good. Alright, so coolant in the radiator is good to go. Guess an old receipt will also do the trick. Alright, let's see how she's doing. And trust me, I know you're never supposed to check your engine oil while you're facing downhill. Yeah, that looks relatively dry. While on this hill, it should be above the L. So I'm gonna add some engine oil. While I'm here, let's check out the air filter. Got some presents in my air filter. Might be time for a new one pretty soon. Alright guys. My hose got a lot of love for me, man. A lot of love for me. I genuinely did not want to, but I genuinely think I have to. Bone apple tea. Clean up after yourself, guys. Well,
We've got 9 minutes and 20 seconds to go. I think I'm gonna go check the progress of the exporting video. Let's go see. Okay, yeah, I don't like the fact that the video is only at 2%. That's a little disappointing. It's all good though. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and swap batteries. That way we can continue doing this. You know what? I agree. It is pretty strange for me to brush my teeth before I eat, but I had a cup of coffee around 6 o'clock and I haven't had anything since, and it's going on 10. My mouth tastes like shit. That's just what happens. So I'm gonna brush my teeth. And you're not gonna judge me. Okay guys, she has matured into a full-grown pie. She's ready to be cut. So you just want to do a nice, easy line right down the center. Don't want to go too hard, don't want to go too soft. You got to do it just right. You got to be gentle with her. Okay, now we're going to go across. So far, so good, nice and gentle. If you guys have any questions about this, don't hesitate to ask. Just drop a comment. I'll be sure to explain to you in depth how to fully and correctly cook your 1-pound chicken pot pie. Now what I'm doing is I'm sticking the fork inside the crevices I've made, the crevasses, and I'm just going to jiggle around the meat in there. We want no cold spots. Okay, so now we place it back in the radiation box. Close the radiation box. Start radiating. This might seem really complicated, but it's not that complicated, I promise. Like, once you do it a couple times, you got it down. Look at that. You would think this was a commercial for Marie calendars. Jesus. This is something that I really want to do. So to be actually progressing and moving forward with it, it's really cool. Because it's very easy for people to just talk about what they want to do.
Leftovers to eat?
Yeah.
Take some to work tomorrow.
Actually sent a nickel.
They do.
That's weird.
I know.
It's what's funny is that they're asking you for money,
I know.
but they're sending you money.
I know. Do you have like certain days you're gonna post?
Every day.
Oh, dang.
I'm gonna upload it tonight, that way it's ready by like 6 a.m. tomorrow. What's up, everybody? It's that time of the night again. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's episode 3. I intend on doing something exciting